welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm back again with another video, a video about the Mollem proposed bus stage for Kisumu City. And there have been an ongoing case about the relocation of this stage from the city to Mollem. And currently there's an ongoing case by the public. There's an ongoing case in the court by the PSVs, which reinstated that they don't want to move to Mollem because there are no businesses over there, so they still want to stick to town, and that's why the bus station has remained vacant for quite some time. And as you can see, there's nothing much going on in this bus stage. It looks like nothing has ever operated here, but there's a time where they moved here for I think a week. Then they said no, they can't work from there because there are no business over there. People are not used to going there. It's very, very far from town, and ever since it has been remained like this. There's no businesses. It was just wonderfully made, but nothing is going on over there. So, and the matter was taken to court on February 20th by the public service vehicles, and the case is pending further orders. That's why they're still they didn't move, because the case is still ongoing. So we are waiting to see and whether if they will move or not. But for now, that's the update about the Mollem bus stage. And so far it's not functional. It has been empty ever since 3 years since completion, and nothing has been going on over there. Nothing. Yeah, that's it, guys. So guys, watch my videos till the end. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, kindly like the video, share the video, and remember to watch till the end. And guys, if you want to support by helping me buy a GoPro for better video, you can reach out through the number on the channel's description, and we'll see on how you'll work things out. Yeah, guys.